basic usage needs, such as daily web browsing, video viewing, etc. Cat5e network cable can meet the needs and is highly cost-effective. High-speed network requirements. If there are high-definition smart TVs, online gamers, and a large number of smart devices online at the same time, it is recommended to choose Cat6 or Cat6a network cables to ensure network transmission speed and stability. Future expansion considerations. Considering the upgrading of technology and the upgrade of home equipment, even if high-specification network cables are not currently required, it is recommended to pre-install at least Cat6 network cables to adapt to possible high bandwidth needs in the future.